Pharmacognosy of Rauwolfia. The synonyms of Rauwolfia are Rauwolfia root or sapaganda, biological source. It consists of the dried roots and rhizomes of Rauwolfia serpentina. It belongs to the family Apocynaceae. The name Rauwolfia serpentina has been taken from the name of the scientist Dr. Rauwolf, and serpentina means snake-like structured root. Geographical source. Several species of plant is distributed in the tropical region of Asia, America and Africa. It is commercially cultivated in India, mainly in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Orissa, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Also, it is distributed in Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand and America. Cultivation and collection. Rauwolfia develops luxuriantly under a wide range of climatic conditions. It flourishes well in hot, humid climate and grows quite well in shade. The clay loamy soil with handsome amount of humus is most recommended. Good drainage is supposed to be ideal for its cultivation. The acidic soil having pH 4 favors the growth of plant. The other requirements for its cultivation are temperature should be between 10 and 38 degrees centigrade and rainfall in the range of 250 to 500 centimeter. Sandy soil makes the plant more susceptible towards diseases. The propagation is mainly done by seeds, roots, cutting root stem, etc. Propagation from seeds is the method of choice. For this method, the seeds are sown in nursery beds in the month of May or July. Between May and July, the developed seedlings are transplanted in the month of August or September into the open field at the distance of 15 to 30 centimeter. The fertilizers like ammonium sulfate, urea and manures are supplied to the plants. The plants should be kept free from weeds and they are uprooted when the plants are about 3 to 4 years old. The roots are cut properly and washed with water to remove adhering impurities like sand or other earthy matter. Then it is dried in air. About 5 kg of seeds are sufficient to cover 1 hectare area. The average yield is about 1200 kg per hectare, but the yield can vary with type of soil, climatic conditions and age of the plant. Now let us see about the macroscopical characters. Color, grayish yellow to brown, that is about the root bark, and pale yellow in case of wood. Odor, odorless. Taste, it is bitter because of the presence of alkaloid. Then size, 10 to 80 centimeter in length and 1 to 3 centimeter in diameter. Shape, roots are subcylindrical, slightly tapered, tortuous, that means it will be having a lot of twists and turns. Then fracture, it is short and irregular. Coming to microscopic features, that is transverse section of Rauwolfia root, we can see some distinct positions like cark, phylloden, phloem and xylem. Cark, it consists of stratified cells below which phylloden or few rows of parenchyma is present. This is the important character of Rauwolfia. Stratified cark, that is the layer, different layers, so many layers of carks are there. This is a special type of diagnostic character which is present in Rauwolfia root. Phloem, it is narrow and parenchymatous with small scattered sieve tissues. In parenchyma, starch grains and few latex cells with brown resinous matter are present. Calcium oxalate crystals are present in the secondary phloem. This is the secondary phloem. So this area is cark, followed by that phylloden, then secondary phloem. Then coming to xylem, about 80% of diameter of root is xylem, which includes vessels, tracheids, wood parenchyma, and wood fibers. Simple or bordered pits are present on xylem vessels. These vessels are elongated up to 350 microns in length and 50 micron in width. Stone cells or phloem fibers are absent. Okay, this is also an important feature which will help to distinguish the Rauwolfia with other species of Rauwolfia, because the other species of Rauwolfia they have phloem fibers or stone cells, but in Rauwolfia serpentina stone cells or phloem fibers are absent. Chemical constituents. Rauwolfia contains at least 30 indole alkaloids. The total alkaloidal range is in 0.7 to 3%, and that depends upon the source of the drug. Alkaloids are concentrated mostly in the base of the root and can be classified into indole alkaloid, indolin alkaloid, indolenin alkaloid, oxyindole alkaloid, pseudoindoxy alkaloid. Reserpine is the main alkaloid in Rauwolfia. It also contains oleoresin, phytosterol, fatty acids, alcohols, and sugars. The other alkaloids present in Rauwolfia are ajmalin, ajmalicin, rauwolfinin, resinamine, reserpine, yohimbin, serpentin, serpentinin. Reserpine alkaloid is calorimetrically determined by the reaction in between acidic solution of alkaloid and sodium nitrite. This is the structure of reserpine. It is an indole alkaloid. Indole group is present, and this is ajmalicin. This is yohimbin. This is the structure of alkaloids. Then coming to the chemical test, on adding an acid or on exposing to light, most reserpine solutions give distinct yellow color and also a clear fluorescence on standing. Violet red color solution appears on treating reserpine with vanillin solution in acetic acid. On crystallization of reserpine, crystals of reserpine hydrochloride hydrate are obtained that decomposes at 224 degrees centigrade. On treating a freshly fractured surface with concentrated nitric acid, a red color is observed along the medullary ray. Then coming to the uses of Rauwolfia, it has antihypertensive activity. The most clinically important compounds are reserpine, resinamide, and ajmalicin. Reserpine depletes the catecholamines stored at nerve endings and lowers the blood pressure. The drug is used in mild anxiety condition and neuropsychiatric disorders due to its tranquilizing effect. Disapidine and resinamide used as antihypertensive. Disapidine shows very less side effects, and resinamide causes mental depression in higher dose concentration. Ajmalicin uses in the treatment of circulatory diseases and in cerebral blood flow obstruction. Then finally, adulteration of Rauwolfia serpentina with allied or other species. So these three are the other species which will be adulterated with the original Rauwolfia serpentina. That is Ophirasia mungos, white or red flowered species of Clerodendrum and Tabernamoneta diverticata. And the species and varieties of genus Rauwolfia used as adulterants are Rauwolfia tetraphylla, Rauwolfia bedomi, Rauwolfia micrantha, Rauwolfia verticillata, Rauwolfia densiflora. Thank you.